Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some slime. Like I'm gonna show you like three slimes, like those are like perfect slime. Not perfect like all y'all, but I'm going to be showing you a perfect like a slime. I got these three slime because I love them. Like I don't love them, but I like them. I like them all them. I like them three except for like all the them that we making. Like I like them three more than the other ones. So I'm gonna show you right now. So the first slime I'm going to be showing you, and it's probably the same as the other slime if I make slime videos of slime on my slime, and if they are the same, sorry, but going to be showing you. But sometimes be doing those and the other ones. So well, I think I didn't make the slime yet. I will be making also. I will be doing making slime too. So I got this first slime is no. Well, I forgot, not that one. So I got this slime right here. It's a pink, like a pink slime, like a pink or purple, a pink or purple. It's like a purple slime. So it's a purple slime. So I really love this slime because it got like a not a taste, but like a thing that you can I say it, that you can like it make like a lot of noise. I love it making noise. I hate hair in my slime. Cause it feel like weird. So this one I gave it 1 to 10. I gave it let me see. 1 to 10. I give it let me see. I like it very much, but sometimes I don't like it when I keep playing with it because I like it hard. So I give it right now a 6. I give it a 6. Next we're going to get this. Don't know where I love you, but I love you all. So I got this slime. So I get this like over here. Oh, and oh my god, this one is one of my favorite slime. So this one I give it wait, I didn't even play with it. It's so little. It used to be so big. Like it used to be more bigger than this. Like big one. But some of them broke. I mean not broke, some of them got dry, and this was the one that I made. That I mean not made, that I got. So this one I use 1 to 10. I give it a 10. At least a 10. Give it a 10. So this one is like a really good slime. So next one is this one, the one that I was like glitter. That got this. So this one is like a perfect slime. Oh, I give this 100. I give this 100. So a 1 to 10. I'ma add the 1 and the 10. So that means 11. So I'ma get it 11. guys, it's 3. So look, if you got 10, right? You put like, you know, them 1, 2, and 3, 1 to 10. You just put them all, and you make a 20. But it looks like I'm weird, but nope, nope, nope. I hope you like this video, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to